Hey everyone, struggling to reset your Aldi mobile password if you are stuck and it's not working. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the best fixes to get you back into your account. Let's get started. If Aldi mobile password reset is not working, ensure your internet connection is stable and recheck the details you entered. Try switching between the app and a browser or use a different browser. If issue persists, wait and try again later or contact Aldi mobile support for assistance. Why Aldi mobile reset password not working? Incorrect mobile number entered during the reset process, weak or unstable internet connection on the device, delays due to high network traffic, or server issues, temporary technical issues with the Aldi mobile website or app server. Fix 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection with enough signal bars and make sure mobile data is enabled. For mobile, look for a signal bars on top of your mobile screen. If it has only one or two, move to an area with a better reception if necessary, as weak signals can prevent verification code from being delivered. Turn airplane mode on or off to refresh the signal strength. For browser, confirm your device is connected to a network or Wi-Fi and test the connection by loading a video to check for buffering. Restart your router if the connection is unstable or switch to another network if available. Fix 2. Restart your phone. There might be a temporary glitches that may block SMS delivery. Restarting the phone resolves the error. On iOS, long press power button along with volume up or a down button. Drag the power off slider to left. Wait for a few seconds and power it back on. On Android, long press the power button or volume button and tap power off. Wait a few seconds and power it on again. Now try resend the password reset link. Check SIM status. If your SIM is not active or plan is expired, you will not get verification code. If you are trying to port your number, go to respective provider website and ensure your mobile number is active. Check for plan expiry and recharge if necessary using a voucher or credit card. Alternatively, if you recently activated your Aldi mobile service, verify that the activation process was completed successfully. To recharge, log into your Aldi mobile account or app website, go to manage accounts, then my services, then go to recharge, select your plan to recharge. If it is app, go to dashboard, tap recharge button, choose a plan, follow on screen instructions to recharge it. Fix 4. Try after some time. There might be an issue with the Aldi mobile website when attempting to reset your password. Delays in receiving verification codes can occur due to high network demand or technical glitches. Wait a few hours and try again, or consider attempting the reset the next day if it is not urgent. Fix 5. Ensure correct details. There might be an issue with the Aldi mobile website when attempting to reset your password. Delays in receiving verification codes can occur due to high network demand or technical glitches. Wait a few hours and try again, or consider attempting the reset the next day if it is not urgent. Fix 6. Disable VPN or ad blocker. Turn off browser extension like VPNs, ad blockers, or Brave's Web Shield that might interfere with the password reset process. On Chrome, click the menu icon, the three dots in the top right corner, choose More Tools, then Extensions. Locate the extension you want to disable and toggle it off. You can also click Remove to delete it. Firefox, click the menu icon, the three line in the top right corner, select Add-ons and Themes, then go to Extensions. Find the extension you want to disable and toggle it off. If needed, click Remove to delete it entirely. Safari. On Safari, go to Preferences from the Safari menu and click on the Extension tab. Uncheck the box next to the extension you want to disable or click Uninstall to remove it. Fix 7. Switch platforms. Use the Aldi mobile app if you are facing issues on the website or vice versa. You can also try switching to another browser, example Chrome, Firefox, if the current one isn't working properly. Fix 9. Contact Aldi Mobile. If issue persists, contact Aldi Mobile support for further assistance. Call 2534 ALDI for free from your Aldi mobile phone. If you are trying to port your number, you can dial 1300989000 within Australia or 613922355590 from overseas. Standard rates may apply.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.